found a giant wolf spider in the water and it chases us. So I want to try to record it. Ah, look at it! It's freaking chasing. Look at it. Oh, frick, it's fast. Oh, frick. Oh, what's up, dude? How's it going? We're in freaking Aggieland.
College Station.
It smells like maroon.
Ready for another beach day.
Yes, we're gonna go to the lake and it's gonna be fun. We got tacos and...
These are not hash browns. Hey, these guys are right there.
Definitely no hash browns.
We're on our way.
We're going to freaking Walmart.
Translation, we're going to Walmart. We're going to Walmart.
So I was smoking beers last night.
No, it wasn't.
I look freaking cool as heck. Look at me. I got Bucky's stuff on me. Isn't that lit, man?
Where'd you get that Bucky stuff?
My adorable girlfriend got it for me. And I am so happy because I love this hat so much.
Oh, he hates it.
I don't freaking road rage. Get out of the way! I'm just kidding. I know what face you're doing, babe. I know what face that is.
Such a weirdo.
Where are you going?
There he is.
You trying to vlog me? What are you doing? What is this? You trying to film me or something?
Stud muffin.
Hi, look at my triceps, dude. You're lactose intolerant.
I don't care.
We'll see how it is. What's up?
Why do
Wanna
we
go
need
fishing?
bacon?
We're cooking bacon on the pavement because it's gonna be 90 degrees outside.
Uh-huh. Where are we?
We're at Cameron Park.
This is not Cameron
Oh,
Park.
frick. No, this isn't Cameron Park. Wait. This is Aggieland. What the heck?
It's the lake.
Oh, it's Lake Bryan.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with him?
Mwah.
Okay then.
We made it.
We did.
I made it. Look, this is the best sign ever. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. That's the best. I love it when I see stuff like that.
There's waves.
There's waves. Oh my gosh, we're in Galveston. It's got better waves than Galveston.
Just get in the water. Put the phone down.
You think I'm not bringing the vlog with me? You're crazy. You're absolutely crazy. Oh, it's nice and warm, bed. Yeah. Look, we're freaking matching. Look at this. Look. Goodness gracious. Welcome to Lake freaking Bryan, gamers.
Ooh, it's slippery.
Yeah. We found a giant wolf spider in the water and it chases us. So I want to try to record it. She's keeping it at bay right now. There it is. Ah, look at it. It's freaking chasing. Look at it. Oh, frick, it's fast.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, frick. Oh, my God. Thank you. Freaking shoes, dude.
Cheers.
What'd you get?
Island and pina colada.
Ah, getting caught in the rain. We're freaking matching. We're that couple. Gosh darn it. 216, how did you let this happen to me? Oh, I just had a hit. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, do I vlog or do I fish? Frick, dude.
What? What? What?
He's coming over. We're entertaining ourselves because we have absolutely no bites on our fish.
I lost my hook.
And she lost her hook.
Yeah, again.
Gosh darn it.
She's like laughing at you. She's like, oh my gosh, Jonah.
Your pitch is all wrong.
I can have a full conversation with that bird.
How about you tell him to tell a fish to bite my hook?
What? Thank you.
What's his name?
Reynolds.
That's what Reynolds is?
What? Thank you.
What did you tell him?
I said that you're a silly goose. He said yeah.
Come on. Look how delicious it is.
And you kiss me with that mouth?
Good feeling about this one.
Mm-hmm. It's okay, baby.
For the vlog.
I know.
I'm so sad. I'm so sad. What's he zooming in on? My beautiful eye?
Mm-hmm. What's going on, sweetheart?
I'm letting the bee do his business.
Just leave it be.
I'm leaving it be. I hate him. I don't like him.
He likes us because we're sweet. When he realizes we're not his honey, then we'll leave.
Oh, you want to see some ants?
No.
Holy frick.
What did you do?
Oh, it was an ant bite. It's like, boom. Ah. Gosh dang it.
Babe.
Man. Ooh.
Uh-huh.
I packed a wallop. What the
Yeah.
frick? Hi, you're cute. You look adorable.
You are adorable.
Are you recording me right now?
Obviously.
It's probably a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Might do something stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we didn't catch any fish. So that's the
Caught
bug.
bugs.
We caught bugs. Look at this freaking ant bite that I got. God dang it.
Which is why he is a future doctor.
Benadryl. So now we're gonna get Bobo to make ourselves feel better. You know how cute you are.
I look like trash.
No, you don't. You look adorable. This is the part that sucks the most out of our weekend's adventures. Saying goodbye. Ugh, frick. What's up? Get all your stuff out of the car and transfer everything over. And
Aww.
thank you for watching this really short vlog. Hope it was at least somewhat entertaining.
If you were in it for seeing us catch a fish, I'm sorry you wasted your time.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
I think we jinxed it with the vlog.
I think so.
Oh well. Next time.
They're camera
Next time?
shy. Those
They're
fish.
Exactly.
They're camera shy. Not everyone can be Nemo.
I get it, because we couldn't find Nemo. Because we couldn't catch Nemo. Because we couldn't
He was
find a
too
fish.
busy touching the butt.
I'm going to California tomorrow.
Yeah.
Again.
Uh-huh.
For the third time
Mm-hmm.
to the same dealership.
It's weird. He's in California more than I am.
Yeah, it's strange.
And I have California residency.
That's true. Leave a like, subscribe, watch my other videos because they're really bad, but they're fun.
Just put up more, so
Yeah, I'm
go
putting out more. I'm putting out more freaking content. I don't know when this one's gonna come out.
like, subscribe,
Do all the scoring the points and
leave a Baylor appropriate comment.
or Baylor not appropriate. You know, it doesn't matter. I'm desperate, so just give me a comment.
Give a comment.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.